it's officially making you the #1 big tractor power fan to be running a 1253A head. I appreciate you getting this so we could feature it on the channel.
You should have seen the guys' faces at the dealership when we told them the reason we were buying it.
It's really cool to see this. I know a lot of people are going to say, why is a corn head harvesting soybeans? But the all crop was a popular way to harvest beans across the Midwest for a long time.
So I remember when I was a kid, my dad had a 6-row one of these on a 6620. And I've wanted to run one myself for years. This is the very first time. One thing I will say I notice, even with a draper head, you still see beans on the ground behind them. A few, not near as much as an auger head. There is nothing on the ground.
Oh, it's doing a good job. We can take a look out there. Just harvesting it with those rubber belts and clipping it off.